Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video newsletter, the two main names that have reported earnings this afternoon are going to be SanDisk and Western Digital. And as they're trading here, at least after the initial announcement, I can't really see a whole lot that continues to buoy the S&P. Maybe we can start there, where I'll show you first a chart that has moved very cleanly into extensions. And I think the biggest part of understanding multiple time frame analysis, because if we look at the low that was put in on the 29th, that should be a formidable low moving forward. That should give us a spot to work from. And for the most part, saying any backing and filling into that area, we look for other methods of support. Not saying you have to risk all the way down below that, but saying again that's an important level. So your various moving averages, what you might like to use to find support, find something that comes in here around 760, or maybe we have to get back to 750, right? I know these are big ranges, but this is a very bullish looking chart. So do you see how if you step out over into a 3-day chart, there's really nothing wrong with this. It looks quite good. We have a squeeze. Everything generally has that bullish favor. The little bit shorter time frame view shows us a market that has made extensions. They closed down at the low today, and at the very least could be ready to take a breather. So I'm thinking some bearish butterflies down into something like 760 for next week. A calendar might work well also. And I think these memory chips taking a dip after their report is just part of the air being let out. Not necessarily popping a balloon or anything like that, but just letting prices ease back in a little bit, maybe normalize things, run a few stops for 7 to 10 days, and then we'll see if the trend can resume. So that's the best view that I have there of the S&Ps, combined with some key earnings reports that we'll see more of tomorrow when the cash session opens. You guys have a great rest of your evening, and I hope to see you in the Mastering the Trade room tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.